welcome back to 247 Tech Talk. This week I've got something that new to my setup. I know that this wireless mic, the Rode Wireless Go 2, has been out for a while. I have tested the Hohem, I've tested the Godox, and I was waiting to get my hands on the Rode Wireless Go 2. In my home studio here, there are many different recordings that are done, including product reviews, there are podcasts that are recorded, and there are different mics for use for different things. And in this case, I needed something, when not using the overhead shotgun mics, I needed a lapel mic that would sound good. And this came to mind, and after all my research, this is where we ended up. The Rode Wireless Go 2. It says here, dual channel wireless, 3.5 millimeter, USB-C, iOS audio output. Those are the connections, built-in microphone, digital transmission. So what's going to happen here, I'm going to do an unboxing now. And after this unboxing, I'm going to come back with an audio test and an audio comparison between now, I don't know if I'm going to use another lapel mic or if I will. Actually, I'll probably use the comparison between this and the Sennheiser shotgun mic that I use for podcasts and that I'm recording with right now. So what you're hearing right now is the Sennheiser podcast mic that I use, a shotgun mic for podcasts. I know I ripped the box open, but that's all fun of doing it. Pop it open here. Little white box as you see, open it up, and here we go. This is the dry pack. So we've got 3 dead cats, and we've got the transmitters and receiver. 1, 2, 3. That one doesn't want to come out, okay. Put that aside. What else do we have in the box? We've got a case. I'm so glad it came with a case. Not only to keep it clean, but to keep it together, right? Nice little case. Might prefer the hard case, but I'll take that. And what do we have here? I've got big thumbs, so, In here we've got the user manual. We've got a TRS to TRS 1/8 or 3.5 millimeter. USB-C to USB-A. A lot of cables. Another USB, and 2 more. So 3 USB-C to USB-A. So basically, I guess they provided a charging cable for each one of the devices, right? For the receivers and the transmitters. So I'm going to peel off the enjoyable feel of peeling off the stickies. There we go. They're nice and compact devices, I must say. So these are 2 transmitted. This is a receiver. Let's look at the receiver first. Power button, clip. This clip can clip, I guess, on a. It's thin enough to go on a cold shoe, on a DSLR or any kind of mic. Stereo, mono, decibels, channel, audio out, USB-C, and I'm guessing this is power. There you go. I hit power. It came on. I'm not sure if you can see that. The screen is on now. Battery is very low, so they have to be charged. Usually, whenever I get these things, the batteries are high. They're usually charged. And I'm just going to go to one of the transmitters. You got 2 LED indicators. You got the mic on the top here. You have an input here. USB-C. Power button at the bottom. Same type of clip on the back. This one would clip to your shirt or your tie or whatever. I mean, it could still fit on the cold shoe, but you wouldn't put this on the cold shoe because this is a transmitter, right? Let's power this on and see if we get a display on the screen anywhere. I don't know what displays on this. Probably not a screen. And I'm powering it on and nothing is happening. So this one's really dead. Let's try this one. So the batteries in these are for sure dead, but I'm going to charge everything up and come right back in on this video with an audio comparison test between this and the Sennheiser shotgun mic that I use. So I'll be right back. Okay, folks. So I'm going to do a quick comparison here. What you're listening to is the Sennheiser MKE-600 shotgun mic. I'll give you a quick glimpse because it's above my head. I use it for my podcast. There it is above my head. And as you can see in the picture-in-picture, this is the receiver for the Rode Wireless Go 2 mic. I'm speaking to you right now on the MKE-600. So here goes the comparison test. I'm going to switch over now to the Rode Wireless Go 2. Now I'm on the Rode Wireless Go 2. Here it is clipped to my jacket. And this, in case you want to know, is the MKE DLZ Creator XS board. It's a new board that I'm testing. Will be in a different review. Let's do the comparison again. The Sennheiser MKE-600 shotgun mic above my head. The Rode Wireless Go 2 with the transmitter right here on my jacket. So you get to compare the two. I know they're two completely different mics, but it just gives you an idea for the work that's done in my home studio here. It will be my podcast and other podcasts, and then my wife has a gardening YouTube channel, and she prefers to use different cameras, and she prefers to use this mic. So there it is for your comparison. 247 Tech Talk. Appreciate your support. Please like, comment, and please subscribe and share. See you soon.